Oh, what an out. Get in the hole. Oh, let's go. We chip in on this channel.
That's my pet.
Welcome back, guys, to part 2 of the Eagles Lake SDR Whisperer Business Golf Edition, episode 4. So if you watched the first video, I'm up 1 on Mr. Andre here. If you haven't watched it, go back, watch it. This is the second part. Don't watch the first hole of the last one. So let's make the first hole of the second video a lot better. Can't get any worse.
Don't fuck it up.
Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, huh? Oh, get over. Oh, all right. That was not good, guys. And Andre hasn't. Whoa, now. That's where you wanted to hit it on the first video. Oh, no. Dude, that looked like it was going to go 80 yards left. Oh, no. That hit the cart path? Dude, that hit the cart path, hit a tree, hit the cart path, hit a tree.
I saw it. I saw like the end of it. Left side.
Oh, get over. Yeah, that was just a tough hole, huh?
Pretty easy for me.
Oh, what an out. Get in the hole. Oh, let's go. We chip in on this channel, guys. Fuck yeah, Andre. For the channel, baby. You don't even need a putter.
All about the content, bro.
All about the content. All right, now I gotta fucking do it. Chip in for a triple bogey here. Oh, it got too much under it. What's that for?
Birdie.
That was a bird?
This is par 5?
It has to be a par 5. Hey, you're 1 up on this video. Oh, sit. You should be, I didn't see it hit the water. Don't hit the tree.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Damn, if that didn't clip that tree, that would have been right in the middle of the fairway. Oh no. Dude, you hit straight tree branch there. Oh my God.
How far?
132.
Oh, what? It's like heading out of the sand.
At least you have a bump.
That's my pet.
That's a gator. Welcome to Florida. Oh my God, I took my head up. Oh, that's a good one there. Sit the fuck down. Oh, I chunked again. Slow down. Oh, uh-oh.
Damn, bro.
That's an 8. Oh, you dog. Not how we finished the first. I mean, you just had a birdie, so. Oh, sit. That should be over. Should be a putt.
Yeah.
Oh, I chunked her. Well, I hit it 69 yards.
Right on the money, making me get up and down now.
That just ate into the earth. Yeah, this is another business advice is you got to scramble to keep up with your competition. Every day is a hard day in business. All right, Jacoby, simple. Just putt it, right? Just like Andre. Here. I'll get legs. Par bogey. I mean, I can't expect to win the hole when I leave 70 yards from the fucking pin on a par 3. Chip in counter is 2-0. For the channel, Andre, not for the match. Andre is now up 1 on the day, 2 on this video. Got my work cut out for me.
Making it easy for me. Oh.
Go through. That's right in them trees. Short. Oh, where was I going with that?
Right with me. It's not bad at all.
Oh, that needs to sit.
Where's that?
Low right.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh no. I got life. If you stuck that, it'd been a tough day. Oh, did he do it? Oh, he got through.
Dude, that was so good.
Yeah. Oh my God, I keep picking my head up, Dylan. Nice shot. Come on, hit a chip.
Even better.
Oh, almost had a third. Thank you, sir. So that was my 1, 2, 3, 4 bogey. You had 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your bogey? What a putt. What a putt. Ice in his veins.
Yeah.
Oh no. I don't know how I didn't hear a tree house on that one, dude. No. I see it. Oh, the slice came back when I didn't need her to. Oh, what a shot. You have a nice look. If it sits, sit, sit, sit. Oh shit, I was looking at it going straight until I saw it hit the ground. I was like, what the fuck?
That one drew like mine.
Oh, stay right. No. Oh no.
You're gonna want to zoom in on this one because it's gonna be dancing around the pin.
Yeah. You got that one, Jacoby?
Zoom in on that shit.
Yeah, zoom in on that one. Hold on, let me gun it. 28.8 yards. Not optimal here. There you go. This is sketchy. I got so much height on that.
I know.
Oh, I fucking rammed her. Oh my God. Oh my God, thank you, Lord. That was a sketchy putt. All right, a triple bogey takes the hole. That's not sexy. I'll take him how I can get him though. Fairway?
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Fairway and reg. Oh, what a draw in.
Good?
Yeah, fairway. Oh, super short. I chunked the shit out of that. Stay on.
Nice. What club is that?
52.
Okay.
Dude, that little downward punch. Oh, confident stroke there.
Yeah. Shaky. Damn.
I didn't see it come down. It was coming left. Get over. Where'd it go? Oh, you're so lucky you didn't hit the car path there, dude. Oh no, sit. And I pulled it again. Short as shit. Oh, wait.
If I hit that straight.
That's a great shot.
That would have been dope.
I mean, you did what you tried. You did what you wanted to do. Oh, I suck. Keep going.
What did I tell you? Bro,
This kid.
up actually.
Needed it. Have the hole. You're one up in the video and we're even on the day. It's a good round. Let's murder this fucking ball. Short? Oh.
Played it perfectly.
Uh-oh.
Where's that?
See that little brown fern?
Yeah.
It was right on that.
Oh.
You picked your head up on that one. Get in. There's a par. Dude, you've been slamming him in the back door there. We need a real birdie here. A real birdie. Oh no. Again. That's not what you want. It's not what you want. Dude, you striped that.
That was nice.
You picked that fucking thing clean, dude.
That was good.
Dude, that thing was in my backswing. That thing was in my backswing. Oh, that looks really nice. Be the number. Nice shot. Look at bird.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, if there's ever a time to chip in, Dylan, it is right fucking now. That's right. Hit the hill. Bounce in.
That's good.
That needed to be on the pin to have a chance. No break at all. Didn't even have the speed. That's a terrible putt. All right, in for double bogey. This is your par, so Just send it. Oh, damn it, dude. If I hit that putt, oh no. The case of the lips got you, but not when I needed them to.
I'll take it.
All right, guys, so Andre won this video, but on the whole day of 18 holes, we are tied. So we're gonna be playing a playoff hole, just like last video. Uh-oh. You have a look there.
Yep.
Clear the bunker. Oh, what a kick.
Oh.
Good? Where is it? Oh no.
There you go.
Thank God. Oh, that looks good. You're dancing, I think. Hopefully it's not over. Dude, this wind is howling. No rollout, huh? He's got ice in his fucking veins. Oh. To win the match. Oh, I had it. All right, playoff hole number 2. Oh, and he stripes it. Get past the tree. Get past the tree. Hit the tree. And bounce right back into the fairway. Nice job, sir.
I'm trying to put this away.
Oh.
Oh no.
You son of a bitch. Ah, you getting the breaks, you gotta take advantage of them, right? Oh, I chunked her, no.
We're even, bro.
No. That was such a good shot. That was a dead strike, and I have to hit the tree branch. Tragic. No one wants to win.
Dude, that's...
That's gonna sit. Oh, thank God. Ooh. I can't. This is the win?
Yeah. Get me out of here, bro. It's cold.
What an ugly way to win it on a double bogey. Love you, brother. Thank you for coming out. Thank you for watching. This was a 20-hole playoff round, just as the last video was. SDR Whisperer, Andre Haykal Jr. Tune in next video.
I gotta get revenge.
And hit that like and subscribe button.